Welcome back guys. So this is going to be a tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can install Dolphin iOS and play emulators on your non-jailbroken iOS devices. For this tutorial purpose I'll be using iPhone XS. You can see it is running on iOS 14.4. For non-jailbroken devices, Dolphin iOS emulator is not working on this version of iOS. For it to work, you need to have iOS 14.3 or below. But in the end it does not affect the tutorial. I will be sideloading Play PS2 emulator and Dolphin iOS emulator via AltStore. So the first thing that we need to do is install AltStore on our device. To install it, I'll be using a Windows PC. We need to follow certain steps in order to install it properly. I will be showing you all of that. So now I'll move on to my PC. Now I'm on my PC. Just open the AltStore website. Download the Windows version of it. Download started. This is the FAQ section. Here you can read the step-by-step instructions for AltStore installation. This is for Mac version and this is for Windows version. So we need to have iTunes and iCloud installed on a Windows PC. We need to directly download them from Apple's website, not the Microsoft Store versions. I'll open the iTunes link. Okay, here it is showing get it from Microsoft. You don't need to download this one. Just scroll down and click on Windows here. Now click on this link, download iTunes for Windows now. My PC has 64-bit version of Windows, so I'll click on this one. Okay, download started. Now we need to download iCloud directly from Apple. Click on this link. Now guys, I was not able to download iCloud from Apple's website. I only found this link, download iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store. We don't require this. So I just went to FileHippo website. Here I was able to find iCloud. I'll give the link in the description of this video. Just click on download latest version here. These are the 3 files that I downloaded. Now you should unzip the contents of Alt installer zip file. You can use WinZip or WinRAR. I extracted the zip file in this folder, Alt installer. Now before installing Alt server, we need to install iTunes and iCloud. Need to sign into them using our Apple ID. First I'll install iTunes. After iTunes is installed, you need to sign in using your Apple ID. Now I am signed in. On iTunes, make sure you have authorized the PC. Just click on account here. Go to authorizations and then click on authorize this computer. Now I will install iCloud. Same thing again, install it and sign into your iCloud. iCloud is installed now. Just open this. Sign in. Just enter your Apple ID and password. Now we are signed in. Before installing Alt server, I'll just restart my PC. Time to install Alt server. Make sure iCloud and iTunes are running in the background. Now connect your iOS device to your PC. Make sure your device trusts the PC. Now we need to launch Alt server. It appears as an icon in the notification area. Here it is. Make sure your iPhone trusts the computer. We need to open iTunes and enable iTunes Wi-Fi sync for our phone. Make sure this option is checked. Sync with this iPhone over Wi-Fi. Now we need to click the Alt server icon in the notification area and then click install AltStore. Then choose our phone. You should be seeing your device here. Just select it. Now you need to enter your Apple ID and password. Make sure your iOS device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Wait for a few seconds, then AllStore will be installed to your phone. You can check out their FAQ section, why AllServer needs our Apple ID. Installing AllStore to iPhone. Now guys, just in case AllStore does not install properly, you can follow these instructions. In the end, you should be seeing this prompt: installation succeeded. AllStore was successfully installed on iPhone. Now guys, AllStore is an alternative to Apple Store. I have been using this store for a long time now. It is completely safe. Some people may be reluctant to give them their Apple ID and password. Most of the queries have been answered in this FAQ, so you should be giving it a read before using AllStore. You can see they have answered why they require our Apple ID. The apps installed using AllStore have a limited license. The license expires in 7 days. It's because they are apps that have been installed using non-developer Apple IDs. They are only valid for 7 days, at which point they will no longer open. To compensate for this, AllStore will periodically attempt to refresh our apps in the background, and we can always manually refresh our apps from within AllStore. So make sure you refresh the app once within a week, otherwise it will just stop working. Does AllServer need to be running to install or refresh apps? Yes, AllServer must be running and on the same Wi-Fi network as AllStore when installing or refreshing apps. So now I'll move on to iPhone. We will be downloading Play and Dolphin iOS emulators. Then I will be sideloading them using AllStore. There it is guys, AllStore has been installed on my iPhone XS. If after successful installation the app does not show up on your phone, just restart it. Let me try to open it. Untrusted developer, we need to change one setting. Under settings, tap on general, then tap on device management, then tap on your Apple ID, then tap on trust. That's it. Now I can start AllStore. Let's start the app. You can see it worked. Now we need to download Play and Dolphin iOS emulators. First I'll download Dolphin iOS. Just open this website dolphinios.oatmealdome.me. I'll give the link in the description. You can see the requirement. Do not update to iOS 14.4 if you want to keep using the non-jailbroken version. Apple broke the JIT functionality on iOS 14.4. This means that non-jailbroken versions are not supported starting with iOS 14.4. Sadly, I have this iOS version, so app won't work for me. But we can install it on our device. Just download this version. It's downloading. Now I'll download the Play emulator. This is the website. Again, I'll give the link in the description, purei.org. Go to the download section. Here just tap on the iOS link. Download. Both apps have been downloaded on our device. Now open the AllStore. Make sure AllServer is running on your PC. Both AllServer and AllStore are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I'll install Dolphin iOS. Tap on My Apps. Tap on plus icon here. You can see Dolphin iOS IPA file. Select it. It will install it. Here you need to enter your Apple ID and password. After that this prompt will show up. Just tap on got it. App is still installing. It is taking some time. Yeah, finally the app has been installed. Dolphin iOS. Now I'm going to install Play emulator. Tap on the plus icon again. Select play.ipa file. Installation started. Apps installed. Now when you are refreshing the license, make sure AllServer is running on your PC. Both AllServer and AllStore need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network when you are refreshing the apps. This is how you can continue using the apps even after 7 days. I'm not seeing the apps here. I'll just restart the device. I restarted my device and you can see here guys, we can see both of the apps. There's Dolphin iOS and Play emulator. I'll start Dolphin iOS. It's good to see Dolphin emulator started. I was not expecting it to start at all. This is the version. Now I'll start Play emulator. And yes, it also started. Using iTunes, you can very easily copy the ROMs to your device. So guys, I'll end the tutorial video here. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.